Hi guys, this is J. Benchla. I am studying 4th BTech in Ashankara Institution of Technology from CSE department. Today, my tech talk presentation in the subject cloud computing. What is the definition of cloud computing? Cloud computing and what are the different services of a cloud computing? First of all, what is the cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but huge quantity and large amount of data can be stored in a cloud is called a cloud computing. There are three types of cloud computing services. Those are a infrastructure as a service and platform as a service and software as a service. The graphical representation of a system as shown in above figure and SaaS and PaaS and IaaS. Infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service is also known as a hardware as a service. It is a cloud computing infrastructure managed over the internet. The main advantages of infrastructure as a service it that it helps user to avoid the cost and complexity of and purchasing and managing the physical services and characteristics of infrastructure as a service. There are the following characteristics of infrastructure as a service and resources are available as a service and services are highly scalable and dynamic and flexible and graphical user interface and application program interface based access and automated and administrative task. Example and a digital and Amazon Web Services and Microsoft and Azure Google. These are examples of infrastructure as a service. Next of all, what is the disadvantages of infrastructure as a service? Security and maintenance upgrade and, and improbability issues and platform as a service. According to the platform as a service, it defines as and a platform as a service. A cloud computing platform is created for the programmer to develop and test and run and manage the applications. Characteristics of platform as a service. There are the following characteristics of platform as a service and accessible to various user and via or some department application and integrates with the web services and databases and builds on a virtualization technology so resources can easily be scaled up or down as per the organization needs, support multiple languages and frameworks and provide an ability to auto scale and examples and and Amazon Web Services, Elastic and Benstack, Windows and Azure Facecom. This call a different types of application in platform as a service. Next of all, software as a service and software as a service also known as the one demand software. It is a software in which the application are hosted by the cloud services provider. User can access these application with the help of internet connection and web browsers. And characteristics of software as a service. There are a following characteristics of software as a service and manages from a and central location and hosted on a remote server and accessible over the internet. Users are not responsible for hardware and software updates. Updates are applied automatically. The service is purchased on the pay as per use basis. Example BigCommerce and Google Apps and Salesforce and Dropbox and Zendesk and Cisco and Web Example and Zendesk and Stack and Go Meeting. These are examples of examples and characteristics of software as a service. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.